Good morning, good afternoon. It's EMS Automotive, manufacturers of body panels. Today we're going to be talking about 57, 58 Ford fender repair patches for the front fender, from the front tire to the door. And as you know, on the 57 Fords, this area is always rusted. The outer skin and the inner structure. And what we got here is a typical fender that's rusted out. Nearly impossible to find a good fender. So EMS has constructed the world's best patch panels for it. New and improved over our previous version. We have the lower rear front fender patch for the 57, 58 Fords. It'll fit some of the Etzels and Mercuries also. As you notice, we have it precision die stamped with the body line in the correct form. We got an offset for easy installation. We have as you can see here, we got all of the form, all of the offset, just like the factory made it. EMS Automotive. We also rolled the edge over. Got the factory edge with the flange, with the holes. This is the way it's supposed to be. Not a cheap imitation from China. Now when you put this on, there's also an inner brace. Notice here on the original fender, it's badly rusted up. EMS Automotive has constructed a inner brace for the 57, 58 Fords. Here again, precision die stamped. It fits inside the outer panel. Over here by the door edge, it gets welded, spot welded, has all the correct shape. Here again, formed to fit precisely on the inside of your fender. Has the correct fender flange bolt and the clearances and all the funny little curves. All made 18 gauge steel, die stamped here in Detroit, Michigan by EMS Automotive. This is for your 57, 58 Ford. So if you need to get a hold of us, you can always call our phone number, 248-546-0232, automotive.com, which gives you links to our videos and online catalog that you can print out.